Hi, welcome back. 欢迎回来. This is the class about Chinese handwriting, lesson 2. Today I'm going to introduce another 5 basic strokes. These are related to this specific small part, like a hook. In Chinese, we call it go. So it's combined with the other one, make it. You see, these 3 all have this small hook. And here has one, and here is combined with 横, it has a small hook. Go. First one. First is a vertical stretch plus a hook. This is one stroke. It's called 竖钩. You write from the top to the bottom. We have learned this character 小 means small, little. In the middle, this is a vertical stretch plus a hook. 竖钩. Let's see how it is written. So you start from the top of your square, go to the bottom and make a small turn here. Okay, 竖钩. Next one, not like the first 竖钩, it is straightforward from top to the bottom. This one has a little bit curve, so we call curve hook. 弯钩, 弯 means a little bit curved, not straight. 弯钩, so when you write it, it's not exactly in the center of the square. We learned this one is sun. 子, this part is 弯钩 from the top to the bottom. Let me show you how it is written on the paper. So from the top to the bottom, curved. 弯钩. Next one is 斜钩. So it's different. It's go to the other direction, not like 弯钩. It's actually a little bit from the right side to the left. And this one is from the left to the right, and the hook goes to the top. It's called 斜钩, means unstraight. 斜钩. And this is a character 我 means I, me, myself. This one is 斜钩. So here this character is a bit complicated. You can see 撇, right? 横, 竖钩. And this is another basic stroke we didn't learn yet. It's called 提. I will show you later. Here the blue part 斜钩. With a 撇 and a dot, 点. Here is how you are going to write on the paper. From the left to the right with a small hook to the up. Let's see it again. From the left to the right, a small hook to the up. Okay. The next one we call 卧钩. 卧 means sleep, lie down. So you see this one is similar like 斜钩, but it's lying down in the square. So like this. This is heart, 心. We have a small 撇 in here. Then 卧钩, 2 dots we learned in last week too. 心. When we want to write 卧钩 on paper, we start from the left to the right. Let it sleep and the hook go up. 卧钩. This is the way you write. The last one is 横钩. We know 横 in last video. 横 means a horizontal stretch. It's a combination of 横 and this small hook. you write again from the left to the right. Here, this is how it's located in the character. Usually this one is on the top part of a character. Here is my. Buy means we are going to purchase something. My. 横沟. You see on the bottom this is head. This is a black part is a character is head. So we have 横撇 a big dot and two small dots at the shoulder. Okay, let me show you how it is written on paper. Start from the left to the right and turn it. Okay, these are the 5 basic strokes we are going to learn. So, 横沟 握钩 斜钩 弯钩 and 竖钩. Let's go ahead and see how it is written one more time. Top to the bottom straight and turn to the left, a little bit hook. Top to the bottom but a little curved and hook to the left. 弯钩 斜钩 from the top to the bottom, left to the right, and the hook goes to the opposite. 握钩 from the left to the right, and sleeping in a square. The small hook go to the up. 横钩 horizontal stretch, left to the right, then the small hook to the downside. Okay, let me show you how we are going to write these 5 different characters in the 田字格 in this square. First one, 小 竖钩 straight ahead. 撇 点 Next one, 子 So this is something new we didn't learn yet. It's called 横撇. We will learn later. After that is 弯钩 is 3 stroke. 横 Next one, 撇 横 竖钩 提 This is new we didn't learn. 斜钩 撇点 撇 握钩 点 点 This is heart 心 Next one, 横钩 点点横撇点 Okay, this is all we learned in this video. 5 basic stroke. 竖钩 弯钩 斜钩 握钩 and 横钩. I wish you learned. Now we have 10 strokes together. I believe you are able to write some simple characters. Thank you for watching. See you next time.